Introducing Neurotris, the leading manufacturer of microcurrent technology built in the U.S. We have 3 different professional machine options: a single channel phase system, a 4-channel phase system, and a face and body system. Each device comes with several different accessories, allowing you to customize your treatment service for every client. Our SX4500 device is a face and body combination system, which allows you to do face and body treatments by themselves or simultaneously. For those of you that are interested in doing only face treatments, we do have 2 professional machines available for you to choose from. This here is our 4-channel face system, and we also have a smaller single-channel face system. All of our devices come with training support, marketing support, and we do offer 0% financing for qualified applicants. For more information, follow us on social media, where you will find more before and after photos and details on our upcoming webinars and events.